Welcome back to Bullion and Beyond. Imagine this for a moment. You are sitting at home going through your old coins. Maybe coins you collected over the years. Or coins lying forgotten in a drawer. Suddenly your eyes stop at a tiny coin. Something very ordinary. Something you have probably ignored many times before. It is the 2015 1 Grosz coin from Poland. Small. Simple. And seemingly insignificant. But what if this tiny coin could be worth an unbelievable $749 million? It sounds impossible. It sounds like a fantasy. But the world of rare coin collecting has proven time and time again that the impossible can sometimes become reality. And today we are diving deep into the mystery, the history, and the hidden secrets of this fascinating coin. Let us begin with its appearance. The 1 Grosz coin is one of the smallest denominations used in Poland. It is made from copper-plated steel, giving it a distinct reddish tone. The coin is lightweight and minimal in design, which makes it easy to overlook in everyday transactions. Most people would never imagine that such a simple coin could carry any extraordinary value. Now look closely at the obverse side of the coin. You will see the iconic eagle, the national symbol of Poland. This eagle is not just a design. It represents centuries of history, pride, and identity. Beneath the eagle there is lettering at the bottom. A small detail that most people ignore. But in the world of coin collecting, even the smallest variation in lettering can mean the difference between a common coin and a rare masterpiece. Collectors often search for tiny differences in these details. Sometimes the spacing of letters is slightly off. Sometimes the engraving depth is inconsistent. Sometimes there are microscopic errors that can only be seen under magnification. These imperfections are not flaws in the collector's eyes. They are treasures. Turning to the reverse side. The coin clearly displays the denomination 1 Grosz, along with the year 2015. At first this may seem completely standard. But certain years in minting history can become extremely important. If something unusual occurred during production. For example, a limited number of coins may have been minted due to technical issues. Or experimental batches may have been released unintentionally. This is where the story becomes even more intriguing. Because coins from such batches often slip into circulation unnoticed. And remain hidden for years. Sometimes decades. Before being discovered by collectors. Now the big question. How can a coin like this reach a value of $749 million? The answer is not simple. It is a combination of multiple factors working together. Rarity, condition, demand, historical context, and sometimes even mystery. Rarity is one of the most powerful drivers of value. If only a handful of coins exist with a specific error or feature, collectors around the world compete to own them. And when demand exceeds supply, prices can rise dramatically. Condition is equally important. A coin that looks brand new even after years of existence is considered uncirculated. These coins are extremely valuable because they preserve the original state of the minting process. Even a tiny scratch or discoloration can reduce the value significantly. Which is why serious collectors store coins in protective holders, away from moisture, heat, and air exposure. Another fascinating aspect is minting errors. Errors are not supposed to happen. But when they do, they create something unique. Examples include double striking, where the coin is struck twice. Misalignment, where the design is off-center. Or incorrect metal composition, where the coin is made from the wrong material. These errors are rare and highly sought after. But beyond all technical factors, there is something else that plays a huge role. And that is the power of stories and speculation in the collecting community. Rumors of a coin being extremely valuable can spread quickly across the internet and social media. Suddenly thousands of people start searching for the same coin, hoping to find a hidden fortune. This surge in attention increases demand, and sometimes drives prices higher, even if the original claim is exaggerated. So is the $749 million valuation real? The honest answer is that such extreme values are extraordinarily rare, and usually linked to one-of-a-kind historical artifacts. However, that does not mean the coin has no value. In fact, certain rare variations of everyday coins have been sold for thousands, and even millions of dollars in auctions around the world. The excitement lies in the possibility. The idea that something so small and ordinary could change your life. If you have a 2015 Grosz coin, do not ignore it. Take a closer look. Examine every detail. Check the eagle. Inspect the lettering at the bottom. Look for any unusual marks or inconsistencies. You may want to use a magnifying glass, or even consult a professional coin expert for evaluation. Sometimes what looks ordinary to the naked eye can reveal something extraordinary under closer inspection. It is also worth noting that coin values can change over time. What may not be valuable today could become highly desirable in the future, as collector interest grows and historical significance increases. Coin collecting is more than just a hobby. It is a journey through history. Every coin carries a story of the time it was created, the people who used it, and the events that shaped its existence. Holding a coin is like holding a piece of the past, and sometimes that past holds incredible value. So the next time you come across a small coin, do not dismiss it too quickly. It might just be a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. And who knows? The coin sitting quietly in your pocket right now could be worth far more than you ever imagined.